Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will talk about MESOBOTOX. We will demonstrate the technique of HYALTOX, a type of MESOBOTOX. Microbotox, or MESOBOTOX, is a procedure in which Botox is injected more superficially into the skin than into the muscles. With this method, you can achieve smoother skin, smaller pores, and less oil production. MESOBOTOX has been used in red face conditions like rosacea and flushing. It might stop certain chemicals, like acetylcholine, from being released by the nerves in your skin. In this video, you will see the technique of MESOBOTOX, in which it is mixed with non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid. This type of microbotox is called HYALTOX. Now let's focus on the practical part with injection demonstration. First, withdraw around 30 to 40 units of Dysport in a 1 ml syringe. Then take non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid in separate syringe. Now add normal saline and mix all three ingredients using a three-way connector. After using numbing cream, begin intradermal injections of HYALTOX with a 32-gauge needle. Inject superficially in several locations. Avoid blood vessels to reduce the possibility of bruises. Using a cold compress on the face can also help reduce bruises. Thank you for taking time to watch the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel to avoid missing any future videos.